let me call Baba Ijesha. I went to his page. I wrote, Baba Ijesha, please check your DM. Because I was trying his number, it was not going. He now sent me a message that Alpha. I said I want to shoot a movie, he should come. So me and my mom, we said that when he comes there, we'll sit him down and ask him, is it really true? Is it really true? So that day we were waiting for him. When he was on his way, I now remembered what my friend had told me. And my sister, they told me that we should be careful. People we want to support Baba Ijesha and say that they want to set him up if we don't have evidence. I called CCTV company to come. They came. They set camera. When they came here, I told them it's a matter of life and death. They set camera. They set the camera. We asked everybody in the house to go out and stay in anybody's house. That she was afraid. We said she should calm down because she did not see him again. Since that 7 years, she didn't see him until she saw him in a movie that we did together with one mama like that 2 years ago. She saw me in that movie and him. She started doing some, even her brothers, they're asking her what happened. She couldn't say it until she told us. So they now put the CCTV. He came in. As he came in, he saw that there was nobody at home. I told him that I want to see those people. He asked me, who are these people? I said, they are DSTV people. I want to see them off. That when I go now, I will stay long. He should relax. He said, okay. I dropped my phone. I said, my phone is here. Then I went out. We locked the door. 2 seconds, he stood up. Begin to check my whole house. He checked every room to make sure none of the children are sleeping. Kema wo bi eyan se buru. O wo gbogbo inu ile pe o fe wa sure so that he will be sure that none of the children is inside sleeping. He checked the whole house for camera. He checked the whole house. Then he started. I can't even begin to relay the things that he did. Arami Uba, I was shaking because we're monitoring it on the phone. But at the point when she stood up to go to the kitchen, and we know that there's no camera in the kitchen. The people came in. They called police. Police came immediately. They picked him. I asked him, Larry, kini mo ṣe fún ẹ? Kini mo ṣe fún ẹ? Torí o mọ̀ pé mi ò bímọ àwọn ọmọ yìí. Ó dẹ̀ wá kó àwọn ọmọ yìí sí mi lọ́dọ̀ kí màmá máa ronú. Kò dẹ̀ ṣerú kó báyìí fún mi. Kini mo ṣe fún ẹ? He said it's the devil. That me, I'm his benefactor, but the devil he was just talking rubbish. So I asked him what happened 7 years ago. He told me he was just begging me. They took him away. Every day, we go to the police station from morning till night. And Mama will be machine feel. Some of you are not saying you should post the video of the child that was being molested. Kill it again. What do you want to get? Even if you hate me, even if you don't like me as a person, how can you? Báwo ni ẹ ṣe sùn torí mo lè sùn mi gẹ́tà bí mọ́ mi kẹta. Báwo lẹ ṣe sùn? Some people were even calling me, trying to threaten me. Why? Ọmọ ni ní Olúwa, ọmọ inú dẹ̀ ní èrè rẹ̀. Bí ọ̀fà tí lọ́wọ́ alágbára bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́mọdé rí. Children are the heritage of God. Nobody is allowed to molest them. It's not fair. Please. Mo fi Ọlọ́run bẹ̀ yín. Even if you don't like me, Even if you don't like it, please stop it. Stop saying all the rubbish at me. The police have started their investigation. He confessed 4 different times. Kilefe, why do you want to see a child? Why do you need to see a child being molested? Why? 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 Irú ayé wo la gbé? Ẹgbẹ́ àwọn ọmọ wa ò safe mọ́. Àwọn ọmọ wa ò safe mọ́. Ẹ wo mi, mo ní kankan. Mi ò ní kankan ju àwọn ọmọ yẹn lọ. Ibo ni mo fẹ́ gbé tèmi bàbá ẹ̀? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, please, ó ti tó. Ẹ fi mí lẹ̀, ẹ jọ̀ọ́. If you believe that I'm lying, why don't you wish it on your children or go and see him and ask him? Why would I want to set somebody up, somebody that I'm the one helping him? Why? Why? And enjoy. I'm not okay. But let me tell you, especially those people who is plotting with, who are trying to see if they can model everything. Even if I die today, orí mi àbíyẹ́ láre, orí mi àbíyẹ́, orí tí mo ṣe fún ẹ àbíyẹ́, ẹlẹ́dàá mi àbíyẹ́, ẹlẹ́dàá ọmọ mi àbíyẹ́. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wá ń sọ oríṣiríṣi, mi tẹ́ mọ̀ kó tí mo lè sọ sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ṣó tọ́ sí yín. Look at somebody who call herself a rape survivor going online to say that he wants CCTV of a child being molested. When you said you were raped, when you came out, did we ask for CCTV before empathizing with? Please, enjoy. I'm not okay. Please, stop spreading what you don't do. Please, put your number. Even if you hate me, I'm begging you, please, for the sake of God and all these children. How do you want their parents to feel? Wọ́n fún mi láwọn ọmọ ìkọ́lé tù mí nínú. Gbogbo èèyàn ló dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé mi ò bímọ, ó ṣe nǹkan tìjú. This is the way God wants. Why are you being insensitive? What will I gain? Somebody that have been helping for years. What will I gain? Go to me. Please, sorry that I'm crying. No, it's just that the pain is too much. Please. The other reason I did this video, which is even the main reason, is when this thing happened, the child has been failing so many things, and I'm the one that have been insisting that something is wrong. Even when everybody said I should pray, I'm the one that has been insisting. Because like I told you, he never came to my house again since that time. But I kept on insisting because something in me said, what is wrong? The child was failing woefully. She was acting strange. Even her brothers, they couldn't play with her. Do you get? Please, don't be afraid. If you know that Ijesha has molested your child before now, or your friend or your neighbor, if you can't come out, dear me. If you know that he has molested anyone you know before, come out. And me, I'm so careful. I don't even allow visitors to come near when my children are around. I don't. Okay, I won't cry. So please, parents, don't trust anybody. Don't trust anybody. Me, I've always been paranoid. I didn't trust anybody. Just 4 minutes. 3 or 4 minutes for me to go down and open the gate for my auntie to go kintilekun and climb up. Within the space of that time, see the damage he did. It's not fair. It is not fair. Please stop spreading news that he molested her for 7 years. It's not possible. Tí mo wà láyé, kò possible. Eléyìí tó ṣẹlẹ̀ gan, mo rò pé Ọlọ́run kan ti kọ pé bó ṣe máa rí ni. Anybody that is close to me will tell you. People have brought their children from outside Lagos to live with me. Adults who have domestic violence issues have come to my house to live with me. Not one, not two. Enjoy. If I'm not a careful person, if I'm not will I be insisting? For 7 years I kept on saying, Bobo family me sọ pé mo ń tẹnu mọ́rọ̀. They said I'm insisting too much. Maybe you are a Christian, just pray and leave it to God. I said it's not spiritual. Òun ló ti délé. If you like, insult me. Kò sẹ́yìn tó kọ́ mi. Nǹkan tí mo mọ̀ ní pé Ọlọ́run kì í sùn. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ rínú mi. 14 good years ni mo ti help àwọn ọmọ lọ́mọ. 14. Mi ò gbowó lọ́wọ́ anybody. Wọ́n jẹ, wọ́n mu, wọ́n lọ sí school, mi ì lọ bẹ̀ anybody. But what is paining me is their parents. Wọ́n fi àwọn ọmọ yẹn rẹ̀ mí lẹ́kùn ni. They gave those children to me.
Hello, Mommy. This is the Sayo.
You don't believe that?
I love you.
You can do as you like. It's not possible. If you have been assaulted by Olariwaju James Omiyinka, aka Baba Ijesha, and you can't come out, DM me. Let me tell you, the police are still investigating, but they are on it. Ojoojúmọ́ ni mo lọ síbẹ̀. Every day I go there. Every day. And every day I go there, he sees me and he will tell me he is sorry. He is sorry. He has never done it except to that child. That's the only child he has ever raped. Báwo la ṣe fẹ́ mọ̀? Are we sure? So if you are there and he has done anything of such to your child, don't hide. DM me. DM me or come to Panti police station. Don't go to any police station. Go to Panti and ask for OC gender and tell them. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. If you people like threaten me, can threaten me. Even if I die, justice will still be served. Even if I die, if you people go and lay ambush for me, go say to come. But justice will be served. Justice will be served. If you have ever been abused by Olariwaju Omiyinka, aka Baba Ijesha, come out. If you can't come out, DM me. If you have ever been abused by anyone else and you are afraid, DM me. No child deserves to be molested. No adult. Sorry. Please.